My oh my, look what's happened here. The Bradford Pear trees are history. Because somebody planted them right under the power lines. Once they got big, it started to cause problems. And you know what? Well, I got the placard last week that EnergyUnited was coming out to do, or at least their contractor was coming out to do right-of-way maintenance. I called them this morning and I said, hey look, if these things, if you think it's more beneficial to have them completely gone, take them down. Because you know what? I'm about tired of them. Yeah, they were nice and pretty this past month, but after 2 years of having to deal with them when cutting grass and all the leaves in the yard and stuff like that, it's like, you know what? I'm done. So goodbye, Bradford Pear trees. You won't be missed. Place looks a little bit different now. Without a doubt. Across the street here, and of course, because here comes a car. This is why you don't plant trees under the power lines, people. I didn't do it. They were here when I got the place back in 2016. Jeez. Place looks a little bit different without them trees there, but you know what? It's time for them to go. It's something I've had in mind since I got this place. Thought to myself, whenever the next time they want to do power line right-of-way maintenance, these things can come down. Because eventually, whenever I do get a bigger house on this lot, they would have to be gone anyway. And the power company no longer has to worry about them being in the way of the power lines, and I no longer have to deal with these things. So it's a win-win for me, especially since it's no cost to me to have them cut down because they're in the way of the power lines. It's a lot of limbs. Just think not having to deal with the leaves in the yard anymore. No more having to prune these things every year just so I can cut grass under them. And I'm also going to be getting a little bit of firewood out of them too.